Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Ito po ay messages para sa mga water sign. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate sa reading, wag natin ipilit. Maaaring may ibang reading para sa'yo. I-check mo na lang yung ating channel or yung mga videos dyan sa ating channel. Meron tayong special channel for Water Sign Philippines. Please do check it out. Again, this is for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start your reading. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay, thank you Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Let's start your reading, Water Sign. Unicorn Princess Tarot, yan yung aking TikTok. Please do check it out na lang. Sana mag-iwan ka ng comment sa baba. Any positive comment, sobrang ma-appreciate ko yun. Hindi ko to kukunin, masyadong marami. Messages for Water Sign. You do have here growth or summer, toxicity, patterns, and bound, fate, detours, divine intervention. And you do have here, water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio at the bottom of the deck. Okay, so nakikita natin na maaaring maraming ending na nangyayari sa'yo in the past or nangyari in the past. And nangyari yon for you to grow, no? Sa paligid mo ngayon, maraming paulit-ulit na pangyayaring nangyayari sa'yo. I can see a lot of toxicity. Pero, kailangan mo talagang daanan yun eh. Amen. Kailangan mo talagang maramdaman or maranasan yun sa buhay mo. Para mas mag-grow ka pa. I can see na ang message sa'yo is that hindi ka basta-basta makakaalis sa sitwasyon kung hindi mo tutulungan ang sarili mo. Tell me more. Messages for water sign, please. For water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You do have here attraction, Mars, and hot. You do have here seed or spring, Venus, and you do have your fire sign, and Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck is alchemy, ancestor guides. Okay. Nakita ko na new beginning sa iyo, water sign. This new beginning could be a new beginning na may kinalaman sa love. A lot of attraction. Maaaring itong person na ito is you do have your party and twin flame. So this could be a twin flame or a person na possible na ma-meet mo through friends or through a party. May nakakita tayo ng person dyan. Dalawa lang yan. You could meet your twin flame or you could meet someone new na pwedeng ma-meet mo dahil sa mga kaibigan. But all in all, ang message dito is you have to be open. Tanggapin mo kung ano itong mga dadating sa'yo. Okay? Kasi, kung hindi mo ito tatanggapin, at ikaw ay magtatago, ikaw ay lalayo, ikaw din ang mahihirapan. ikaw din ang masasaktan. May bagong love na paparating sa'yo. Pero nakikita natin yung takot mo, yung insecurities mo. Sasabihin ng iba, hindi naman ako insecure. Pero masyado akong nag-overthink. You do have your temptation. You do have here air sign. You do have your rebirth. Yan, remember and awakening. And you do have here rejection, loss, and fragmented. So, ano ibig sabihin dito? Bottom of the deck, you do have here a decision to make. May decision ka na kailangan gawin. May dalawang path ka na tatahakin. And ikaw yon, you have their higher self. Dalawang energy na kukuha ko dito. For some of you, a twin flame is coming back sa iyong buhay. You do have your rebirth. So, there's a new beginning. Maybe reconciliation sa inyong dalawa. And I feel like dadating ito or babalik itong taong to without you knowing kung ano ba talagang intention niya. Kasi nakakita tayo ng paglilihim, pagtatago mula dito sa taong to. For some of you, a new person is coming to your life, pero I can see you with the rejection energy, so pwedeng i-reject mo itong taong ito dahil maaaring may mga naaalala ka sa past mo na ayaw mong maulit sa buhay mo and masyado ka nag-overthink. Magsimula tayo doon sa energy ng twin flame. Tell me about this. Messages for water sign dealing with their twin flame. You do have your reflection. Yeah, reflection is about twin flame, higher self activation. I can see completion sa inyong dalawa. Malaking pagbabago. Maaaring ko naman yung mga past ninyo, maaaring kalimutan ito or alisan para harapin kung ano yung present, which is a present. Nakikita natin na dadating itong person na ito to change your life, to change who you are. Okay, babalik ang person na ito para baguhin ka, baguhin ko ano man meron sa inyo. And nakakita tayo dito ng completion. So might be there's a union between twin flames dito. For some of you na wala naman twin flame, nakakonect, I can see a new person and anong messages doon. For water sign, please, messages para doon sa, yeah, you do have your luck and doubt. So, nakita tayo dito ng pagdadalawang isip, hindi ka sigurado, maaaring may mga nakikita kang kakulangan, nararamdaman mong hindi mag-work out. You do have your chemistry, past, luck, and suffering. I don't know about you guys, but maybe you're looking for love, you're looking for chemistry, you're looking for someone na mapapantayan ka, na mararamdaman mo sa kanya yung talagang siya na. But the energy here is you need to release, you need to surrender. No? You need to surrender. Nakikita natin dito, you have to love yourself. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. And ano ba talagang gusto ng sarili mo? Diba? You do have here triggers, conflict, and disharmony. Nakita tayo ng conflict, problema. Maybe regarding sa family. Hindi ka nagiging honest sa sarili mo. What you want is someone that would complete you. Pero kailangan mong gumawa ng desisyon. Kung kailangan mo ng tulong, a lot of people are willing to help you. Pero ikaw mismo, sa sarili mo, hindi mo alam kung ano yung tulong na kailangan mo. Maybe ang kailangan mo tulong is tulungan mo muna sarili mo. Kailangan alamin mo mabuti kung ano ba talagang gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. What is the advice here? You do have your storm and cycle, which is sa gitna ng cycle, there's change. You have to change. Kailangan mong magbago. With the storm, kailangan mong tapusin. It's like a tower moment. You have to end kung ano man yung way of thinking mo, maaaring yung way mo ng pag-iisip, kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, kailangan mong baguhin. Okay? Huwag mo hanapin yung kakulangan. Maaaring ang hanapin mo is yung mga bagay, mga tao magpupuno sa'yo. Okay? Maaaring yung iba hinahanap, hindi, kulang pa siya, hindi pa siya okay, hindi ko pa nararamdaman, ganito, ganyan. Pero maaaring yung mga bagay na kulang sa kanya, kaya mo naman yun punuan. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo. The energy here is like, maybe you need to give this person a chance. Okay? Ayan, oh. The water is here. Be a water sign. Katulad ng isang tubig. Hindi yan nauutusan na dito ka pumunta, dito ka pumunta. Di ba yung tubig? Basta lang siya. Pag nilagay mo sa isang baso, puno yung baso, walang space. Ganon din yung puso mo. Hayaan mo lang magmahal. Hayaan mo lang mag-flow. Be more open. Be more open. Kung ano yung mga dadating sa'yo, i-receive mo lang. Tanggapin mo lang ng tanggapin. And just trust the divine timing. Maaaring ito na yung time para sa'yo. Para maging masaya. Pero ibigay mo yun sa sarili mo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.